Welcome to this PowerBase screencast on making and printing mailing labels. So the first thing you want to make sure that you have set up is the actual group or a list, or maybe from a search criteria, the list of contacts that you want to print mailing labels for. And you want to make sure that those folks all have mailing addresses, actually have complete mailing addresses. So make sure you set up your groups or your search appropriately. So let's get started. Let's say I've created my group and I want to create mailing labels for all my donors. So I'm going to run a search advanced search. This is the place where you get access to be able to print your mailing labels. So I'm going to search and pull up the list, and I've already created my smart group. And so I'm going to go to my smart group of my donor list. Right, and I'm going to hit search. And again, I can always review on my results screen, making sure folks have an address, a complete address. So to create the mailing list, print the mailing labels, all you need to do is click on all, right? You want to grab everybody. I go to actions. Again, you can also just print a few of them if you wanted to. You can go and just select the ones you wanted. But in this case, I'm going to grab all 473 records, and I'm going to go click on actions. And under print, there's the mailing labels right there. And here's where you can select labels. So just know the kind of label. And most of us are using the Avery 5160, which is the 3 across, 10 down, so 30 labels a page. There's Avery, and down here you can, we're always just selecting the primary, which is the main addresses. You can choose not to print labels for folks that would do not mail, and this is suggested. This is the default checkbox. And you notice you can also choose to merge labels with the same address, for contacts with the same address, or those belong to the same household. So we're going to just go ahead and make the labels. If I click and make them, I am going to use the Adobe Reader here for this case to take a look at what the labels look like, because then I could print from here, and there they are. For all the names, notice they're alphabetical. That's the way they were listed in the results screen. If I wanted to sort them by zip code, I would sort from the results screen by zip code if I wanted to, and then it would appear in a different order. And that's how you create mailing labels in PowerBase.